Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to forward an email as an attachment in IONOS. Now, the first thing I want you to do is actually just log into your IONOS dashboard, and then I want you to come to the top right, click on this gear cog in the top right corner, and click on this to access your settings. And then click here on all settings, and then what I want you to do from the left-hand panel, just select email, and I want you to scroll down until you see advanced settings. Click on advanced settings, and I want you to scroll all the way down here until you see forward email messages as. And I want you to change this from inline to attachment. So I want you to toggle this one on, and I want you to close this. And now if we go ahead and forward this one, okay, it will actually forward it as attachment. Now just remind you that this setting remains active until it's actually changed back. As you can see, the mail attachment is right here, and I'll add an email address. And now we'll just go ahead and send this one over. As you can see, it is getting sent over as the attachment as well. Okay, as you can see. So that is how to forward an email as an attachment in IONOS.